Hello and welcome. In this video, we will introduce the new FortiAIOps 2.0 Fabric Connector feature on FortiManager. The FortiAIOps 2.0 Fabric Connector integrates FortiManager with FortiAIOps through the Fortinet security fabric, creating a unified and collaborative security ecosystem. By working together, FortiManager and FortiAIOps provide enhanced network security visibility, allowing users to more effectively monitor, analyze, and manage security events, ultimately improving overall control and operational efficiency. In this demo, we will use FortiManager version 8.0. Before establishing the FortiAIOps connector on FortiManager, there are two key prerequisites on the FortiManager side. First, the security fabric must be enabled on FortiManager. Secondly, fabric access must be allowed in the interface's administrative access settings. These configurations ensure that FortiManager can properly integrate with FortiAIOps through the security fabric. The connector workflow must be initiated from the FortiAIOps side, meaning the connector cannot be independently activated on the FortiManager side without a setup request. If you attempt to trigger the connector setup on the FortiManager side, you will see a prompt saying, "Please initiate the fabric authorization through your FortiAIOps." So let's set up a FortiManager connector on the FortiAIOps side. Once the setup is initiated from the FortiAIOps side, FortiManager will display a notification when the connector request is received. Click the Details button to open the Edit FortiAIOps Connector pane. Here you can review the FortiAIOps requesting to establish a fabric connection with this FortiManager, identified by its serial number, IP address, and certificate. Once the request is accepted, you can proceed to select the ADOMs to be synchronized from FortiManager to FortiAIOps. There are two options: synchronize all ADOMs or select specific ADOMs. In this demo, the All ADOMs option is selected. Finally, click Authorize. Click OK to confirm the action and Save button to complete the setup. The FortiAIOps connector icon turns green to indicate a successful connection. When you hover over the icon, a pop-up displays the current connector status as connected. On the FortiAIOps side, the FortiManager connector status is also shown as connected. Verify the fabric connection operating status on the FortiAIOps side. First, let's check the ADOM synchronization status. There should be 6 ADOMs on the FortiAIOps side consistent with the FortiManager ADOM configuration. Then, let's verify the FortiGate synchronization. Navigate into the ADOM 1 inventory and review the FortiGate list. The devices should match the FortiManager side, confirming successful synchronization. FortiManager not only serves as a data source for FortiAIOps, but also provides centralized monitoring capabilities. The AI Insights dashboard enables this functionality. Right-click the FortiAIOps connector icon on FortiManager and select the AI Insights option to open the AI Insights dashboard. Here we can see data like the summary of connected clients, overall network health, and information on impacted clients and apps. With this, we conclude our video about the new FortiAIOps 2.0 Fabric Connector feature in FortiManager 8.0. Thank you for watching.